In this video, join me in a first-person point of view as a firefighter responder during an actual rescue and retrieval operation following a tragic landslide incident in Brgy, Cabangaan, Silang, Cavite. The incident happened on July 24th and 25th, 2025. I was a part of the second response team deployed to a major landslide incident where a retaining wall collapsed after days of heavy rainfall. When we arrived, backhoes were working to clear and remove large debris and huge pile of mud and soil. At that stage, heavy machinery is critical for a faster and safer retrieval operation. The K9 unit of the Philippine Coast Guard had also started their sweep. These dogs are trained to detect human scent. Whether the person is alive or deceased, the scent markings they make are not random. They're essential clues. In landslide situations, where visibility is zero and every square meter looks the same, K9s help narrow down the search zone. One of the survivors gave a clear account of where they last saw the missing individuals. They described their last location before the collapse. When their story matched the scent points of the K9 unit, we had what we call a triangulation. That's when multiple sources point to a common area, and that's where we dig first. Search and retrieval isn't random digging. It has to be coordinated. Sites were divided into sectors. Each sector is assigned to a specific team. There are diggers, searchers, medics, and safety officers in every group. Everyone has a defined role. It's all about maximizing efficiency and reducing risks. We use a mix of manual tools and machinery depending on the terrain. In some areas, the soil is too unstable for heavy equipment, so we use shovels and bare hands. It's slower, but safer. Safety officers monitor soil movement and weather updates in real time. One wrong vibration can trigger another slide. This is a unified operation. We from the BFP, the PNP, Philippine Coast Guard, CDRRRMO of Cavite and Silang, LGUs, all of us are here. Everyone is needed. Landslides are not clean disasters. You're working in mud, under rain, with the constant threat of more soil collapsing. It's exhausting, physically and mentally, but no one complains. Everyone just keeps going, because we know that under that earth, there's someone's child, someone's parent, someone waiting to be brought home. After hours of digging, we finally found them. 2 individuals. We couldn't save them alive, but we made sure they were retrieved with dignity, cleaned, wrapped, and respectfully handed over to their families. And that matters, for the families left behind, knowing their loved one didn't just disappear, that they were found, brought back, and honored. It brings a kind of peace, a kind of closure. In retrieval operations like this, it's not about who gets credit. It's not about who arrives first or who gets seen on camera. What truly matters is that we work as one. We do what needs to be done. No spotlight, just service. This is our mission as firefighters, as public servants. Whether in fire, flood, or landslide, we respond, we retrieve, we return. Because in service, every life, even one already lost, deserves dignity.